Alright, this here is Corey Porter. These are my tanks, my holding tanks for my ram pump setup that I got going on. If you watch my previous videos, it's a 1.25 inch pump. I got about 6 feet of drop with a 3/4 inch water hose, and I'm pumping pretty good ways from way down there at the creek all the way up here. But we're going to do a gallon per minute test. If you look at the deal there, 30 seconds. Alright, we're starting. Not a whole lot of water, but I mean, with 300-gallon tanks a piece, I'll fill both of them up. I mean, I'm not going to use 600 gallons just watering a garden and junk like that. But and these tanks are pretty cheap. I got both of them for 20 bucks. We've got, I mean, this is, what is it? Agri-Grow. It's a local fertilizer company we got around here. They use the tanks, and when they're done with them, I mean, they just get rid of them pretty cheap because they can't reuse them, I guess. But they're pretty clean. I'm just using them for gardening. They got fertilizer in them anyway, so I guess that'd be good. But we're almost ready here on a minute. Okay. Now I'm going. I don't know if you can see that there. That's not very much, but what is that? About a 1/4 gallon, somewhere in there. Got about 1/4 gallon a minute, and I'm pumping. You can barely see it, but my hose goes all the way back around this, down that hillside. I'm guessing it's probably 200 yards, 250 yards of hose. It's a lot of hose running across the creek, and the spring's on the other side of the creek. But I'm guessing about 50 feet or maybe 60 feet high. That's just guessing. It might be higher than that too, to the top of these tanks. But that little 1.25 inch pump has really surprised me. I mean, I'm gonna leave these things going overnight and see how fast it'll fill them up. I mean, shoot, if it can fill them up in a day or two, that'd be great. Thanks for watching. I'll show you some more videos on progress in my next build.